Obsessed Garage bucket vinyl. These are probably the fifth or sixth iteration of vinyl that we've come up with over the years, and constantly attempting to make improvements. These are printed on a car grade, I would call it. It's the same vinyl that you would use to wrap, a car. So much different than a traditional sticker. These can be applied either dry or wet.
All right, hey guys, I'm Justin. I'm going to give you a few tips and tricks on how to apply the vinyls to the buckets. So as far as tools needed, I always have my little squeegee here. I use the slime, which is heavily concentrated, so I have like one cap full. It'll last forever. You can also use soapy water, baby shampoo, lots of things, just anything to kind of lubricate that'll dissolve quickly. So first things first, I'll just apply some to the bucket. Grab my vinyl, kind of smooth everything out around the product area there. I'll take it all the way to this lip here, then drop it back down about 1/8 of an inch using these two spots here where the handle's attached to try and center the left and right. So I got it where I want it. Soak up the applicator a little bit, because if this is dry, the squeegee part, it will not work. Then I'll just run the squeegee on the entire surface of the vinyl. Make sure to get all the air, all the rest of the water and slime. Starting from the center, working my way out. That's it. Grab my rag, give it a nice wipe down. So yeah, it's just that simple to apply your Obsessed Garage bucket vinyls.
The color options are various. You can get wash in all three colors: blue, black, and red. Same thing with the rinse vinyl and the wheels version. Some people like to do all black, some people like to do all blue, some people like to do the combination like I like, where I have a red wash, a blue rinse, and a black wheels. That's up to you, but we do offer various versions. And many people don't want to be sporting the Obsessed Garage logo. I get that. I debadge my darn BMWs and Porsches, so I get that. So we make a non-logoed version as well, which gets to the point. And I don't know where I stole this idea from. I think it was from Grit Guard, but we've had quite a bit of success selling these. I like the way it looks here with the circle with the Obsessed Garage logo on it, but we do offer it. Same thing here with the logo list in various colors. So that's the Obsessed Garage bucket vinyl.